We take a look at weather today. We have really got a scorcher of a weekend, and everyone wants to know, Joseph, just when things are going to maybe cool down a little bit.
I think we have at least like 4 more days before we cool down, but we'll kind of kick that extreme heat, talking about the upper 90s to the triple digits, out of here by probably Monday, but I think we're in the stretch for maybe the warmest week that we've seen so far this summer. I want to talk about some of the extreme heat, excessive heat warnings that we have out there in place, and we also have a heat advisory there in orange, the excessive heat warnings in red. You see these locations here up the Willamette Valley, near 100 degrees, going through tomorrow's afternoon high. That goes for areas of the gorge too, extending over towards the east there to some of the higher elevations. You can see Madras, Bend, somewhere around 90 to 105 degrees for tomorrow, and even some warmer temperatures extending out towards the coast like what we had today. It was in the lower 80s, I think somewhere right around lunchtime to 1 p.m. for areas along the coast. So it was pretty hot. You can see Tillamook at 85 and Astoria at 84 degrees. I know Eugene today tied a record high at 99. If we get to about 100, I think we'll tie it here in Portland. But we'll probably be pretty close to that. It looks like we might just kind of stall out in the upper 90s. 102 coming out of the Dalles, Madras at 97, and Bend at 100. Overall, much warmer than yesterday. And yesterday was pretty hot, right? Well, I think we'll have, again, another 24 hours of some of this heat, especially for the afternoon. Beautiful view coming out of the Coin Tower, 97 degrees. We may go up another degree or two over the next maybe 45 minutes, but I think we'll, again, probably stall out somewhere right around the upper 90s. 92 degrees by 8 p.m. By 9 p.m., still pretty close to 90 there. So if you're thinking about that evening walk and you're hoping it would be a bit cooler, be prepared for still some warm temperatures late tonight. All right, some of the views, blue sky. You may even get a little bit of smoke moving in. I think tomorrow we may have more of that from the wildfires down to the south in areas of California, and that smoke is transporting up to the north. I want to show you this, though. We do have that southerly flow, so not only is it going to kind of spew some of that smoke in our direction, but we're seeing this little disturbance here, and with that, some lightning starting to fire on up and develop with a couple thunderstorms down in Lake County and southern Oregon counties there. Tomorrow, same thing happens, but we may actually see that extend farther north into areas of the Cascades and maybe even farther into areas of the gorge, which means potential for some lightning. And it's not a good time to pair that up with the wildfire conditions out there. All right, so for tomorrow, I have temperatures at 99 in the valley, 100 for the gorge, mid-90s to 100 degrees, central section, somewhere around there. Many locations may even see temperatures a bit warmer. I want to show you that thunderstorm chance you see explode right there. Very quick through our Sunday. And mainly the east side of the state is where we may have some action. I'm just kind of fast forwarding on through each and every day, though we do have a small threat for maybe a little bit of light rain heading into Thursday night into Friday. So we'll watch that as well here for the valley. I'll show you that in the 7-day forecast, though. I haven't put rain into the forecast just yet, but at least the temperatures will cool down a little bit. As I mentioned, it might be the warmest week that we've seen so far because we'll have 100 today, 100 tomorrow, 93 on Monday, 90 on Tuesday, still mid to upper 80s Wednesday and Thursday. The coolest day, Wayne, coming up in the next 7 days is probably going to be somewhere around 84 degrees, 85 degrees. So it's going to be a hot one, not much rain either.
Okay, time to secure that water supply right now.
Yes. Yeah.
All right, thanks, Joseph. Next, a high-speed